Hi everyone. Today I'd like to give you a quick review of present perfect continuous. So this tense looks a lot like present perfect, but still there are some differences. Though both tenses can be used interchangeably, especially in terms of speaking skills and in terms of general English. But still, uh, there are some differences, and I think it's better to know the correct way of using tenses. So the first rule goes for like it is used to express an action that started in the past and is still continuing now. So the usage of present perfect continuous consists of the have, has, and then been, and then ing added to the verb forms. So in this sentence, I've been waiting for her. So I started waiting for her uh, before an hour, and then I've been waiting for her for an hour, but she's still not ready. So I'm still waiting. So present perfect continuous can also be used to describe an action that has just finished. So here the emphasis is on the action, not the time. This usage is just like the usage of present perfect. So as I said, both can be used interchangeably. I meant this rule actually. So I've been polishing the car for the last 2 hours. So the person wanted to emphasize us that in this sentence, it may be intended to say that he's still cleaning the car or just finished doing so. So the sentence can convey both meanings. But as I said, we can also use present perfect to give this meaning. And here we go, another example. Why are you sitting on the pavement? I've been running for almost an hour. In these sentences, the action is not continuing, but the result, the feeling of tiredness in this context, is still present. So the key words, just like in the present perfect, since for and all expressions, these are generally associated with present perfect continuous because they all give us the continuity. He has been digging the garden all afternoon, so he's tired all afternoon. And more examples to understand the difference in between. Present perfect, I've painted the wall. There's still way to go. I've been painting the wall all morning. So I'm still doing it. Maybe here they gave a break. And here, the person is still continuing. I've graded the papers, and then I'm not there. I've been grading the papers. I'm still grading them. So if the action is long-lasting or requires a process, present perfect progressive may be preferred more. So that's all for present perfect continuous. Thank you for watching. See you for the next videos.